Korba. The name may not be familiar to all, yet this city in Chhattisgarh holds a unique charm. It is a place where the roar of industry meets the whisper of the wind in the trees, where concrete structures stand tall amidst a sea of green. Korba is a testament to the harmony that can exist between progress and nature. Korba invites you to explore its contrasts, discover the beauty of its natural wonders, witness the strength of its industrial heart. Korba lies in the heart of Chhattisgarh. Dense forests surround the city. The mighty Hasdeo River flows through it. This river is a lifeline for the people. It is also a source of breathtaking beauty. The land is fertile, the air is clean and fresh. Summers are hot, monsoons bring welcome showers, winters are mild and pleasant. This is Korba, a city nestled in the lap of nature. The Hasdeo River is the pulse of Korba. This majestic river, with its origins in the hills of Surguja, winds its way through the heart of the city, bringing life and vitality to everything it touches. As the sun rises over Korba, the river glistens, reflecting the first light of day and setting the tone for the bustling activities that will follow. It flows through the city, weaving its way through urban landscapes and providing a natural contrast to the concrete structures that define Korba. The river's journey through the city is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and urban development. Its waters are a source of life and livelihood. The people of Korba depend on the Hasdeo for their daily needs, from drinking water to irrigation. The river's presence is felt in every aspect of life here, from the fields that it nourishes to the homes that it sustains. The river originates in the hills of Surguja, where mountain streams converge to form the mighty Hasdeo. These hills are the birthplace of the river, and they play a crucial role in shaping its character. The journey from the hills to the city is a long and winding one, but it is a journey that defines the river and the region it flows through. It then meanders through forests and valleys before reaching Korba. The river's path takes it through some of the most beautiful and diverse landscapes in the region, from dense forests teeming with wildlife to lush green valleys that are a haven for flora and fauna. The Hasdeo is not just a river, it is a symbol of the natural beauty and ecological richness of the region. The river's scenic views and tranquil waters are a reminder of the importance of preserving our natural heritage. It is a place of serenity and beauty. The riverbanks are a refuge for those seeking peace and quiet away from the hustle and bustle of city life. The calm and serene environment of the Hasdeo River provides a perfect setting for relaxation and reflection. Locals come to its banks to find peace. Families gather for picnics, friends meet for leisurely walks, and individuals come to meditate and find solace in the natural surroundings. The river is a communal space that brings people together and fosters a sense of community. Fishermen cast their nets in its waters. The Hasdeo River is a vital source of livelihood for many, providing fish and other aquatic resources that sustain local communities. The sight of fishermen casting their nets at sunset is a timeless image that captures the essence of life along the river. The Hasdeo is a reminder of nature's bounty, even in the heart of an industrial city. Despite the presence of factories and industrial structures, the river continues to flow, a testament to the resilience of nature and its ability to thrive even in challenging environments. The Hasdeo River is truly the lifeline of Korba, a source of life, beauty, and inspiration for all who live here. Step out of the city and you enter a different world. Lush green forests surround Korba. Tall trees reach for the sky. Their branches form a canopy overhead. Sunlight filters through the leaves, creating a mosaic of light and shadow. The air is alive with the sounds of the forest. Birds sing their melodious songs, insects hum and buzz, deer rustle through the undergrowth. The forests of Korba are a treasure trove of biodiversity. Section 5, Guardians of the Forest, Achanakmar's Wildlife. A short drive from Korba lies a sanctuary. Achanakmar Wildlife Sanctuary is a haven for wildlife. Tigers roam free in its forests. Leopards stalk their prey. Wild dogs hunt in packs. The sanctuary is also home to a variety of birds. Colourful kingfishers dart along the streams. Hornbills fly overhead, their calls echoing through the forest. Achanakmar is a reminder of the wild beauty that still exists in our world. Section 6, Beyond the City Limits, Waterfalls and Ancient Wonders. Korba's natural beauty extends beyond its forests. Waterfalls cascade down the rocky cliffs. Ancient temples stand as testaments to a rich history. Korea, a nearby district, is home to the stunning Korea waterfalls. Further afield lie the ruins of Jilimili. This ancient city was once a thriving center of trade. Today its crumbling walls and overgrown temples whisper tales of a bygone era. These attractions offer a glimpse into the region's rich past. Section 7. The pulse of industry powering a nation. Korba is not just about nature. This city, nestled in the heart of Katizgar, is a unique blend of natural beauty and industrial might. The lush green landscapes surrounding Korba are a testament to its rich natural heritage. The serene views of the natural scenery near Korba offer a stark contrast to the bustling industrial activities that define the city. It is also a major industrial hub. The industrial complexes in Korba are a hive of activity, with factories and industrial sites working round the clock. These complexes are the backbone of the city's economy, providing employment to thousands and contributing significantly to the region's development. The factories and industrial sites in Korba are equipped with state-of-the-art technology, ensuring efficient and sustainable production processes. The city is known as the power capital of Chhattisgarh. The skyline of Korba is dominated by towering power plants and industrial structures, a clear indication of its pivotal role in the energy sector. The cityscape of Korba is a blend of modernity and tradition, with industrial structures coexisting with residential areas and commercial establishments. This unique blend makes Korba a fascinating place to explore. Massive power plants generate electricity for the nation. These power plants are among the largest in the country, producing electricity that powers homes, businesses, and industries across India. The large electricity generation facilities in Korba are a marvel of engineering, showcasing the city's capability to meet the growing energy demands of the nation. The power plants in Korba are not just sources of energy, they are symbols of progress and development. Coal mines fuel these powerhouses of industry. The coal mines in Korba are among the richest in the country, providing the essential raw material needed to keep the power plants running. The coal extraction sites near Korba are a hive of activity, with workers and machinery working tirelessly to extract coal from the earth. The coal mined in Korba is of high quality, ensuring efficient and reliable power generation. The city's industrial landscape is a testament to human ingenuity. The industrial zones in Korba are a blend of factories, power plants, and other industrial facilities, all working together to drive the city's economy. The industrial landscape of Korba is a symbol of human ingenuity and determination, showcasing our ability to harness natural resources and transform them into valuable products and services. The factories and power plants in Korba are a testament to the city's industrial prowess. It is a reminder of our ability to harness resources and drive progress. The machinery and industrial equipment in Korba's industrial areas are state-of-the-art, ensuring efficient and sustainable production processes. The workers operating in these areas are skilled and dedicated, working tirelessly to ensure the smooth functioning of the industrial complexes. The industrial areas of Korba are a hub of activity, with machinery and workers working in harmony to drive progress and development. Yet even amidst the steel and smoke, nature finds a way to thrive. The plants and greenery amidst the industrial areas of Korba are a testament to the city's commitment to environmental sustainability. The industrial zones in Korba are designed to coexist with nature, ensuring that the city's natural beauty is preserved even as it continues to develop. The sight of nature thriving in the industrial zones of Korba is a reminder of the delicate balance between progress and preservation. Korba is a melting pot of cultures. People from different parts of India call this city their home. This diversity is reflected in its festivals and traditions. Diwali, the festival of lights, is celebrated with great fervor. Holi, the festival of colors, brings people together in a riot of hues. Local festivals like Karma and Basta Dussehra offer a glimpse into the rich tribal heritage of the region. These celebrations add color and vibrancy to life in Korba. Section 9. Korba, a symphony in green and grey. Korba is a city of contrasts, where the natural world and industrial progress coexist in a delicate balance. This city, located in the heart of India, is a testament to the harmonious blend of two seemingly opposing forces. It is a place where the green of nature meets the grey of industry. The lush forests teeming with life stand in stark contrast to the towering factories and industrial complexes that dot the landscape. This juxtaposition creates a unique visual and sensory experience for visitors and residents alike, where the sounds of birdsong mingle with the hum of machinery. In Korba, you can hear the melodious chirping of birds as they fly over the industrial landscape, their songs blending seamlessly with the rhythmic sounds of machinery at work. This symphony of natural and mechanical sounds is a defining characteristic of the city. This unique blend makes Korba a fascinating destination. Visitors can hike through verdant forests, capturing the beauty of nature with their cameras while also exploring the industrial sites that are integral to the city's economy. The coexistence of these two worlds offers a rich and varied experience for all who come to Korba. Korba invites you to experience its duality. Whether you are a nature enthusiast or an industrial aficionado, Korba has something to offer. The city encourages you to delve into its green trails, where you can lose yourself in the tranquility of the forest, and to visit its industrial sites where you can witness the marvels of modern engineering, explore its lush forests and sparkling waterfalls. The forests of Korba are home to a variety of flora and fauna, providing a haven for wildlife and a peaceful retreat for visitors. The sparkling waterfalls, cascading down rocky cliffs, offer a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Witness the scale of its industrial might. The industrial complexes in Korba are a sight to behold, showcasing the city's role as a powerhouse of production and innovation. These massive factories, with their intricate machinery and bustling activity, highlight the city's contribution to the nation's economy. Discover the warmth of its people and the richness of its culture. The people of Korba are known for their hospitality and warmth. The city's cultural festivals, where locals don traditional dress and celebrate with music and dance, offer a glimpse into the rich heritage and vibrant traditions of the region. Korba is a city that will stay with you long after you leave. As the sun sets over Korba, casting a golden glow over the landscape, the city reveals its true essence. The blend of nature and industry, the harmony of sounds, and the warmth of its people create an unforgettable experience that lingers in your memory, inviting you to return and explore more of its wonders.